Hey guys, so today I'll be showing you 3 ways to make fluffy slime without any shaving cream. I know, right? Awesome. So let's just get right to this video. For this first recipe, I am adding in some white glue, and you all know that fluffy slime, it will get much bigger, so don't add too much. Now you'll need just any kind of soap. In this case, I'm using some shampoo. You really can use body soap or hand soap or just any kind of soap, and then just add a bit of that into the slime. Now you're going to use some lotion or body cream and add a bit of that into the slime. Do not add a lot because it is like oil based and it will ruin your slime. Coloring is optional, but I have to color it because I have to know which is which, right, in this video since we're making 3. Lastly, you're going to start adding your borax mixture gradually so it does not form into a rock. If borax isn't activating it for you or any kind of activator you're using, just substitute it with another thing. So for me, borax was not working, so I substituted it with liquid starch and it surely helped and worked. So here's the result of the first recipe, and this recipe out of all of them was actually my favorite, and I will say that at the end. But basically it is so soft and it smells so good because of the shampoo I used, and then it just feels great, nice, fluffy, and it feels great in your hands. Now let's move on to the second recipe and of course start adding some glue. And for this recipe, we're going to use some foaming hand soap, and you have to make sure it's foaming hand soap with the kind of nozzle it has. You'll know it's foaming. OMG, so if you can see in this slime, I do not know why it's like activating up already. I was so surprised. I did not know what was going on, and after I added borax, it started to lose up again. So this is just really weird. And ta-da, here's the final result of the second recipe we have here, and this one was actually my second favorite. It feels nice too, but it isn't as fluffy and soft as the first one that we made with the soap and the lotion, but it's also really nice slime, and all these have great like poking sounds, but not the best popping sounds. And last but not least, our third recipe. First, we're going to add some glue. And I just got really impatient, so I just started pouring in borax, and gladly, it did not ruin the slime. And here is the last slime recipe, and this one was actually in third place because I don't really feel like it's like fluffy slime. I mean, it's soft, fluffy and all that, but it isn't as good as the other 2 that we made earlier. So I know you guys might be like, well, I think you added borax for all of them. You didn't add liquid starch. I actually added borax to all 3 of them, but none of them worked for me. So then off camera, I added liquid starch to it. So yeah, just want to clear that up. But yeah, so the green one was actually my favorite. It was exactly like fluffy slime, and it felt so great, so stretchy, and like it's great popping sounds, and it's just really awesome.